Well, you know, I got the coach and horses things, and then I saw this on eBay for an absolute bargain price. This is modelled by Miniature Masterpieces, Wells Fargo Stagecoach with driver and messenger and 4 horses. I saw this and I thought, oh, do you know what? I've got to have a go. It is. Yeah. So open the box, and I knew when I bought it, it had been previously worked on, but it's actually quite really well packed and stuff. Got all the paper and stuff in there. So to all my friends over there in the USA, it's one of those wagon things, and it's got horses and old, I don't know, some of you might remember this back in the day, the old rolling, keep them wagons rolling stuff. So this is this is actually quite weird, because it's got what, 1, 2, 3, 4 horses, and the construction of the wagon. There's a cowboy there and another cowboy there. I have no idea how this is all going to go together, and a little bit of really curled up decals there, which says what's that say? Prairie Queen. Oh, that way up, isn't it? Prairie Queen, Wells Fargo Express, US Mail. Yeah. Yeah. So I saw this. This has been put together with quite a bit of glue, but it might be some fun. But I saw it. It was an absolute bargain price. You know, it was a few quid. It wasn't a serious amount of money, and I think after I've done the tally-ho passenger coach, I might actually have a go at this and put this together, like and see how well that goes. But there you go. That's the Miniature Masterpieces Wells Fargo Stagecoach. I have no idea when this was made. Side of the box says British made plastic kit by Revell, Great Britain Limited. Authentic scale, lavish detail. Yeah, no idea what the age of it is. There's no instructions with it. It's not going to need a lot of instructions, is it? You know, it's pretty much there you have it. Might be good just to clean everything up, give it a coat of paint, and see what we can do with it. With the, I think that's, I don't know, that's where the pivot point is. Oh right, okay. So put the pivot together there, and there you go. There you have it. Stagecoach. Oh, obviously there was a program back in the day called Stagecoach. I can't remember. And it was, yeah, when I was good old westerns that you used to get back in the, I don't know, the 60s, whatever. But I think this might be an interesting build, if I get round to it after everything else that's happening. But it should be a good one. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take it easy. Bye for now.